And it's Subsea D2. The talk today is all about the energy transition, and I'm here with Dorothy Burke from Ecosse IP to tell us a little bit more about how their product lends to that.
Our company is all about new products, new innovations and new sectors, and we're very much committed to the energy transition. All of our products can be used in renewables, offshore wind, offshore marine, and we're very much focused on those markets as well as oil and gas.
That's fantastic to have that level of diversity. What type of product is it that you have?
So our main product is our Ambient Lifter device, and it lifts and lowers things subsea using just buoyancy. So it's a very eco-friendly approach, and it's quite a revolutionary approach because it allows you to reduce vessel time, reduce crane lifts, reduce fuel. So it very much contributes to better environmental footprint.
So a commercial and an environmental case, that's quite a winner for you.
Yeah, I mean, we're very much, we go for products that have simple technology, simple mechanics, make the physics work, and make sure they're robust enough for subsea and underwater applications. But a predecessor company called Subsea very much focused on diversifying into renewables, and that was a very successful route for them. So that's really one of our key markets as we start.
So what are you hoping to achieve at Subsea 2020 this year?
We've been talking to a number of potential customers and really about making our presence known. We've done lots of successful trials and our technology's ready to go, and it's all about getting these first commercial jobs in 2020 and also about announcing our other technologies that we're bringing forward as well.
That's fantastic. So it's a race to first for adopters then?
Yes, we're very much hoping that we'll encourage people to be racing to first. We know the oil and gas industry is fairly conservative and likes to be second, but we're having lots of good conversations and moving this forward here this week, so we're very excited about the prospects for 2020.
Thank you so much for your time this morning. We hope that you get that first adopter on board. There's plenty of people here that I'm sure will be very interested in that, and we look forward to speaking to you again in the future.
Great, thank you very much.